This is Fox 25 Morning News.
All right, welcome back to the Beacon Hill studio. Now, you're not going to recognize this face, although you should, because this is a very interesting cat, or should I say dog, as the case may be. Lance Mackey is his name, four-time Iditarod champion. Nice to see you, my man.
Thanks for having me.
Nice to see you for a couple of reasons. The four-time Iditarod champion, impressive. Survivor of throat cancer, probably more impressive.
Absolutely.
And did the Iditarod after going through the throat cancer. In fact, was your first, you went in the Iditarod while going through the treatment at one point, right?
Well, I ran the first one not knowing I was sick. I got to the end of that race and was diagnosed. That didn't hold me back. I started the next year very unhealthy, feeding tube, and unfortunately I didn't make it. But 04 till today.
Make the race.
I didn't finish the race. I had to withdraw halfway through. But mentally, I was going to make it to the finish line. Physically, I just wasn't able.
Now, the reason why you have to make the finish line at some point is your father was one of the creators of this Iditarod, and he won it, and your brother has won it. So there is a legacy here. You can't, as a Mackey, you can't enter this thing and finish 37th or 12th or whatever it is.
I don't think they'd be disappointed, but for my own personal satisfaction, I felt that was something I had to achieve and conquer.
The biography about you coming out, which we'll talk about in a second. First, as we see pictures of you in the race, tell me a little bit. We all saw this on ESPN recently. Tell me a little bit about the Jamaican guy that was in the Iditarod. I don't know if you sponsored him or you helped him through. How did that all come to be?
Well, I'm mentoring him at the moment for the last couple of years. How it came to be, I'm succeeding in the sport, and I get recognized for being a champion and a nice guy. The fit was pretty easy. Jamaicans are pretty laid back folks. We didn't want him to go into this with a lot of pressure. This is all about having fun and doing something that nobody else in the whole Jamaican island has ever accomplished. So,
well, very few people in the whole planet have accomplished it. I mean, not
fair.
a lot of people have finished an Iditarod. What is it, 1,200 miles?
That's right. True stat. More people have been to the top of Mount Everest than have finished the Iditarod.
So at some point you got to step back and say, what the hell is a guy from Alaska doing mentoring a guy from Jamaica in a dog sled competition? But here it is.
It is, and we're obviously we're getting some recognition around the world, and people are interested in the sport that we do, even in Jamaica. So obviously this is an opportunity to spread the word about our wonderful sport, get some new interest, and open some new doors for sponsorship, things like that.
I know you hear this all the time, but just looking at the pictures alone, thinking about this, it just can't be fun. I just can't imagine how this is fun for you.
This was what I believe I put on earth to do. It is fun for me. This is something that comes fairly natural. I love the dogs. I love the outdoors. I love seeing the backcountry that most people just dream of. So it is a lifestyle. It's a career for me. It's not for everybody.
That's for damn sure. You're going to Mass General today.
Yes, sir.
Tell me a little bit about this visit coming up.
Well, that is basically again, we've survived cancer. There's a lot of people out there that have this sickness that think it's the end of the world, and I'm a perfect example of it's not the end of the world. If you set your mind to something, and you have something to get out of bed for every day and look forward to, there is life after death, basically, and I want to spread that to the people who are basically laying there today, giving up and feeling sorry for themselves.
The biography out is called The Lance Mackey Story. You talk about the race, the Yukon race as well, and your survival and life lessons and all that sort of stuff. You got a signing going on today right over behind us, 3 to 7?
Yes.
And it is at the Tannery over on Boylston Street, correct?
Correct.
That's like an Iditarod of book signing, a 4-hour.
Well, it's a big city. We're going to try to accommodate everybody that's interested.
And one thing I got to mention too before we go is this is the replica jacket of the one that you wear when you race in the thing.
That's right.
People can get this at the Tannery today.
That is a fact as well.
Sweet.
Excellent
Lance,
product.
Great to meet you, sir. Congrats. You're going to win again next year?
I'll be there to attempt it.
I don't think there's anyone putting their money on anyone other than... Oh, that Jamaican is getting pretty good.
He's got a good mentor.
Lance Mackey. See him over at the Tannery on Boylston Street today. Pick up the jacket, pick up the book. He is a very interesting cat or dog with a very interesting story. Fitzgibbon, ever have an interest in the Iditarod?
I haven't, but he's certainly inspirational. My guess is that he doesn't think it's all that chilly outside this morning. But do you think he
By the way, I was just talking to Lance Mackey, as you heard, 9 days to win that Iditarod race under obviously fairly extreme conditions, 50 grand.
Yeah.
Really? Is that what they win?
Unbelievable.
Wow.
Twice what Pete Brock made in his first year in the NFL.
That's what the one guy said, you know, the first guy that throws a pitch in like an NLCS just made more for that one pitch than he's going to make.
Sure.
And it cost him way more than that to run his kennels. So now you see why they wear the
And did he
sponsorship
walk out
sign.
like in those shirt sleeves and no jacket? Because this seems like balmy weather to him.
He did, as a matter of fact. I said, get in from out of the cold. And he goes, you call this cold?
Right, you want to put that jacket on? No, I'm fine.
You know where he went yesterday, by the way, in town?
Tell us.
Concord Green. Wanted to see the history.
Isn't
I
that
thought that
cool?
was kind
Good
of
for
cool.
him.
Yeah.